Hey guys, today we're gonna finish hanging the rear doors. I made a blank of the pillar out of popsicle sticks so that I could use it to mold the styrene. I already did the door seal and plumbed that all up off camera, but let's go. Oh, and Buddy is going for the world record in holding his breath, and so that's what he's doing right now. He's been doing it for a couple of days now. So, go, Buddy. At this point, I was laser focused, in the zone, fully tuned in. And then I spilled the Tamiya extra thin cement. Yep. By the way, I think they missed the mark in advertising because it also works as a horsey butt remover. Oh shit! I thought I would need some kind of complicated hinge system, but this is what I ended up with, and it's really simple. I added 2 slots in the pillar to hold the hinge, and I would later reinforce that with super glue and putty. So here I'm gonna trim the pillar to fit the lines of the door and the window frame. Here's the rear door hinge. It's just a styrene tube and then some music wire, bent into that U. And then I bent the ends of the U straight out, and that's what holds it to the car. I use the styrene tube because it'll be easier to glue with the horsey butt remover. And not affect the actual hinge, the music wire. So that worked out good. Now I'm just making sure that the door don't sag once it's open. You need to make sure of this before you hang it, but I was just checking. Now I'm just using Tamiya epoxy putty to give it some shape and to help secure that hinge to the pillar. And there it is, 2 doors hung.